attention, had to give it up.
This is like 2 weeks later. I've had this in for 2 weeks and it's a little rough, and this was so hard to do. It was so hard to like get the hair in here. I actually did this over from what you guys seen, from what you just seen. I changed the blind from the very front and then like all of it, so I just pretty much have it in the back. None of the individuals have blind in it. It's literally just only crocheted in the back. Because it was so hard to get the hair to like stay in it, it just looked better with the red and the black versus the blonde. Especially because it was like, you can kind of see the braids and stuff, and it was so much more visible with the blonde, which, I mean, that makes sense. I like it messy. Like, I think it looks better messy like this versus like when I first did it, just because of the hair and how it's supposed to be like a kind of like a messy bohemian type of thing. I feel like when it does get a little messy, it just looks better. Like, I just like the look better. Okay, let me show you how the hair holds up and stuff. Can you see this? So pull some of it up, some of it is like tangled. Now you see that. Now I sleep with a super big bondage on my head. And it's actually 4 braids, so it's like super duper big to where it holds all of this in there. I do not. Okay, so the last couple of nights I kind of been just sleeping without it on my head, but it still didn't make anything worse. Like, compared to, it pretty much looks the same from like when I was sleeping inside of the bonding, which I was actually really surprised. I do like this hair. Would I do this again? I don't really know. Here's more of a close-up of what it looks like. It's a little fuzzy, but it's not bad. Like I said, it's cute to me. I maybe would do this again. I don't think I did bad with kind of putting the hair in it, but if I wear like a updo, which this whole time that I've been having this hair in, I just did the day before yesterday, like this little bun thing. So I haven't even had this hair up at all. So I'm gonna show you real quick. You can see the braids, but it doesn't look that bad because it's black hair, so it kind of blends in. But say I have blonde right here, that would look so like visible. Like, you would definitely be able to really tell like that. I mean, you can see the braids, but not like that. It doesn't look bad either because it's black. You can kind of see right here. It doesn't look that bad, but obviously black is gonna blend in more if your hair is black or dark. It's actually really cute in this little bun thing. Getting some kind of like oil sheen or some kind of like oil spray or oil and just kind of put that on, because it's definitely gonna itch. Obviously, like, your hair is gonna, you know, if it's dry, it's gonna itch, so you need to moisturize it. I kind of been slacking at that, but it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I'm actually gonna be taking these down. I might leave it up like one more week, and then I want to do braids on my hair, or I might wait until this weekend. Be watching out for that video because I'm definitely gonna record it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for chilling. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, or have a good night, or whatever. And yeah, do the things on the screen, please and thank you. And I will catch you next time. Bye.
Go hard and what you see.